exactly what fucking happens when cops come. So after literally driving for like 2 hours, finally found a meet location because shit keeps getting shut down. Hopefully something dope happens because, I mean, the meets have been pretty lame recently, I'm just being honest. No one's really been doing anything too exciting, but we're gonna figure it out. I guess since we're here, this would be a good time to touch on the situation at the car scene and what all of you think about it, because I asked for your opinions and here's what everybody has to say about it. The first question I had was, what's your ideal type of car meet? And it was about 50-50 on people wanting chill meets and basically go crazy meets. And then I also asked what type of meets do people dislike. Pretty much 99% of everybody said meets where cops show up, and that's kind of a given. I also asked what was the biggest problem in the car scene. People said that the biggest problem is that people don't know how to get together as like one unity. Like there's a big ass division between people who like going crazy and this meet right here, which is dope, but it's chill, and there's so much hate between people who prefer one or the other. And what can people do to make meets better? One person said more meets for people back wild. Next person said people need to stop beefing with each other. That did not take long at all. Bro, we're not even fucking doing anything. Like, why? Bro, another one. Like, they're sitting here wasting their time picking on people who are just car enthusiasts instead of going and fighting real shit. Like, come on now. This is exactly what fucking happens when cops come, dude. They just pull up and fucking spook people. Damn. Like, why are you here? Bro, there are more cops coming in. I have no clue what the fuck's going on. I should probably get my ass out of here before they start some shit. On the bright side, I could get some sick ass rollers. It just doesn't make any fucking sense. There's at least 8 cops. This has been the chillest meet of the night, and there's 8 cops. I thought that was Nathan. That's pretty dope. Bro, I just accidentally found some races on the highway. No fucking way. Alright, let's get a good little view. Bro, what?
That's what I'm waiting on.
Scared the fuck out of me.